Firstly, ignore the background. We'll just pretend that doesn't exist. We're just going to move swiftly forward to this. So today we are going to be installing some new cosmetic mods. But before we do that, let's run through what I've already done. So we've got these here. Not sure what those are called, but they were very expensive for what they are. 160 quid, something like that. For that, 2 bits of plastic. And there you go. I've got a splitter, very nice. I've got this over here, but I'll be going. We'll get back to that shortly. And then some wind deflectors, which I think adds to it. So that's what we've got for now. So what I will be installing today are some headlights eyelids, whatever they're called. We'll get to that shortly. I think this just goes there, something like that. Okay, looking mean already. And then the next one is this, because what's better than a carbon fibre wing mirror cover? Well, a pointy carbon fibre mirror cover. So I'm taking these off, replacing them with these. Now there's one more item that isn't quite here just yet. Thank you, Brexit. Now when that arrives, I will be installing that. Me installing the rear spoiler, but the weather, well, it had its own idea, so I went ahead and did it off camera. But here it is. It is on. It doesn't look too bad. I kind of regret getting this pattern. I wanted to get just gloss black, but I don't want to deal with having to get it all scratched up, so I sort of got a pattern to make it easier to hide the scratches. But it is what it is. I still think it looks pretty good. This is how it fits on. It's like a lip. It sort of sticks on top of the existing spoiler, so you can see there's a bit of a gap in the back here because it doesn't fully cover it. It sort of sticks on top of it, but I don't think it's too bad. I still quite like it. So yeah, so that's on now. This is on now, like that. They've all got different patterns on them, different, yeah, but it is what it is. I still think it looks pretty good. And this is on now, and to be fair, given that it's gloss black, it hasn't scratched up, so perhaps maybe I should have gotten a more gloss black. We're here now, the more you know.